Do you think you're too young to be an inventor? Well, think again. Here are a few things invented by young people. Hannah Herbst was 17 when she invented a way to generate electricity from the waves of the ocean. At 16, George Nissen invented the trampoline. Joseph Armand Bombardler was 15 when he invented the snowmobile. Louis Braille went blind at the age of 3. By the age of 12, he had invented a new alphabet, a series of raised dots that allowed blind people to read. Abby Fleck was 8 years old when she and her dad invented a microwave-safe hanging bacon cooking rack. And Benjamin Franklin, one of the fathers of our country, invented something when he was 11. Swim flippers, though his were made of wood. It just goes to show you that age is no barrier to becoming an inventor. For more information about inventions and the scientific method, check out the Science Trek website. You'll find it at idahoptb.org/sciencetrek.